going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a great day. Today's a very exciting day. Today we're finally taking over the turbos from Maxpeedingrods over to my buddy's shop where he's ready for us to get these things mounted. Now, if you don't know about this build, guys, my buddy has a crazy LS swapped IS300. And not just that, but now we're going to add 2 turbos to this car, and it's going to sound amazing. In the last video, we did install a nasty cam into this car and was shooting flames at the exhaust. Go ahead and check it out. Next video, guys, we'll be making some boost once we get the thing nice in tune and ready for a little bit of boost. But today we're going to get all the plumbing done on the car, and I'll show you guys the turbos from Maxpeedingrods. I can't thank them enough for sending these over to me. These are GT35s. These are each one of them is capable of 600 horsepower. We're not installing one, we're installing 2. And these are going to be looking just like Leroy's on Cletus McFarlane's Corvette, with these things sticking out of the hood of the car. So this thing's gonna look and sound insane once it's running. So right now I'm gonna go get these loaded up. All right, let's load these up into the car.
Foreign luxury vehicle.
They're heavy. Oh boy. Oh boy. No. Shiny. We're gonna loosen them up. We're gonna recock it. This thing looks good. You gotta loosen both sides?
Yeah. Well, not to just do like a quick mount, really that's just for the oil feed and drain, but just to at least line it up to the coupler. This will be good enough, I guess. So, little something like that.
Some expensive parts on here, man.
This is just like a test fit. In case, people start hating on why I'm not putting a gasket.
Yeah, we're just testing everything, getting everything lined up and locked right.
This will be there. Like that.
Dude, that's gonna look stupid. That's gonna look good.
Alright, what you think?
Start it up.
Looks like something on the Street Outlaws.
Damn, I need this thing in the car already. I need to hear this thing. This thing's gonna sound insane, man. Here in a little bit, guys, I'll show you the car that's gonna go in. It's outside. It's bleeding everywhere.
Don't even show it.
No?
Don't even show it.
I have to show up the car that's gonna go in. This is engine number 2.
Yeah.
So first one had some issues, but alright, guys, here is the Lexus. Unfortunately, it is down for the count. It's bleeding everywhere, and this is the same motor that you guys saw in the last video shooting flames out the at the exhaust. What happened was a connector rod actually broke and just destroyed the engine, so he ended up getting a new 5.3, and then he's got a whole new different setup. So that will be in the next video, guys. We should be making some boost and some crazy sounds with the new setup. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to see more of this build, please like, please subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.